So today in this part we will be discussing about representation of solution set. In the previous part we have discussed about the replacement set and solution set. Now in this part we will discuss about how to represent the solution set algebraically. So before discussing this topic, representation of solution set, let me recall the replacement sets that we have discussed in the previous part. So these are the main replacement set that you will be given in the question. Set of natural number, set of whole number, set of integer and set of real number. Generally these four sets are given in question, but you may be given these two sets, set of rational number and set of irrational number also. Now you are knowing about these numbers. Set of natural number means what? The set of counting numbers. Now natural number and plus 0, that is called whole number. Now all the natural numbers and negative of natural numbers, that means the numbers without fraction, are called integer. Whether it is negative or positive, that must be free from fraction. Now, and set of rational number, all the integer and all the fractional number together are called set of rational number. Now the number which is not rational, definitely that will be irrational number. And all these collections, all these numbers together is called set of real number. So the set of real number is the biggest set of number. In set of real number, clear? Set of real number contains all these numbers. So this is biggest set of real number. Now what I have to say about these sets. Now these three sets, set of natural number, set of whole number and set of integer. Now in this set numbers can be listed. It means if I will say that what are the natural number between -3 and 4, so you can give the answer 1, 2 and 3. That means we can make the list of numbers between two numbers. Now if I will say that what are the whole numbers between 3 and 4, again you can make the list 0, 1, 2, 3. Now what are the integers between -3 and 4? So again we are able to make the list -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the integers between -3 and 4. So why we are able to make the list of these numbers, these three numbers between two numbers? Because between two numbers there are finite number of natural number, finite number of whole number and finite number of integer, so that we are able to make the list of numbers. But here in these three sets we are not able to make the list of numbers, because these are the continuous set of numbers. So what I want to say, if I will say that what are the rational number or what are the real numbers between -3 and 4, so you are not able to make the list, Why? Because there are infinite number of real numbers between -3 and 4, and that's why we are not able to make the list. There are infinite number of rational number between -3 and 4. There are infinite number of irrational number between -3 and 4. So these three sets, numbers of these three sets can be listed. Number of these three sets cannot be listed. We can write the range of numbers. Real number lies between -3 and 4, real number lies between 1 and 2, so we can write the range, but we are not able to make the list of the numbers. So depending on this, we can say that we can represent solution set in two form: set builder form and roster form. So let me rub this board so that we can get some space. Now, so depending upon this concept, we can say that solution set can be represented algebraically in two forms: set builder form, set builder form, and the second one is roster form. Roster form. Now, what is the difference between these two forms? Now, in this form, instead of writing particular values of variable x, we write the range of x along with a replacement set. Now, in this form, directly particular values of variable x are written, particular values of x from replacement set are written. So in this case, we can write in this form, range of variable is written along with the replacement set, and in this case, in this form, directly the particular values of variable can be written. Now suppose in the question, if replacement set is given, set of real number, set of rational number, or set of irrational number. So in this case, we are not able to make the list of the variable. So if these replacement sets are given to you in the question, then you have only one option, and that is set builder form, to write the solution set. Now, suppose in the question, if it is given replacement set is natural number or whole number or integer, so in this case we are able to make the list of numbers between two numbers. So in this case you have two options. You can write the solution set in set builder form also, you can write the solution set in roster form also. But here in this case we have only one option of set builder form. So let me discuss all these concepts with the help of example. So Now, so to explain this concept, let me take one example of inequation. So let us consider one linear inequation example. So let us consider one example: 2x minus 3 less than x plus 1 less equal to 4x plus 7. Now this is the given inequation. And the replacement set, let me write here replacement set. First I am writing here integer. So this is the given inequation and this one is the replacement set of integer. Now after solving this inequation, how I am getting the answer, that is not important in this part. Here our main target is how can we represent solution set. Clear? What are the method to find the solution set, that we will discuss in the next part. So don't worry about the solution, just write the solution. So after solving this inequation, we will get x greater or equal to minus 2 and less than 4. So how I am getting this answer, that is not important for this part, because in this part only we are discussing representation of solution set. So after solving, suppose we are getting this answer. Now, and here the replacement set is given set of integer. So we have to, this is the solution of this inequation. This is the solution of this inequation. That means all the values of x from minus 2 to 4 will satisfy this inequation. But how can we write this solution? So solution set. How do you write the solution set? Put here curly bracket, because elements of sets are always written inside a curly bracket. Now write the variable used in the inequation. Here in this inequation, variable is x. So write here variable x such that, this is the symbol for such that. Now then write the range of the value of x. X is greater than minus 2, greater equal to minus 2 and less than 4, and then write the replacement set given in the question. So write here x belongs to Z. So this is the representation of solution set in set builder form. Now because replacement set is integer, so we are able to make the list of all the integer between minus 2 and 4. Because there are finite number of integers between minus 2 and 4, so we are able to make list also. So same solution set can also be represented in roster form. So write all the integer between minus 2 and up to 4. So minus 2 is integer, because here it is given that x is greater or equal to minus 2. That means x is equal to minus 2 also. That means we have to choose that integer also which is equal to minus 2. Now then minus 1, it is greater than, this integer is greater than minus 2. Now then 0 is also integer, 1 is integer, 2 is integer, 3 is integer. We cannot take 4 because x is less than 4, it is not equal to 4. This is called open point and this is called closed point. If equality sign is there, then it is called closed point of solution, and this is called open point of solution. If inequality is not given, it means this is the open point. So we cannot take 4, but we have to take minus 2. So this form is called roster form. So we can represent the solution set in both form, set builder form or roster form. Now, if you have two choice to write the solution set builder form or roster form, then always prefer roster form, because as compared to set builder form, this form is convenient, because directly we can see which numbers will satisfy this equation. So again I'm repeating, if you have option to write the solution set, then always prefer roster form. Now let me write this point. But suppose in the same question, in equation is same. Now suppose in this question I am replacing this replacement set by a set of real number. Suppose same inequation is given to you, and here it is written replacement set is set of real number. Now what will be its solution? Its solution is x greater than -2, greater equal to -2 and less than 4. So after solving this inequation, we will get this solution. Now we have to write this solution set. Clear? So how we will write solution set? Solution set is equal to curly bracket. Now write the variable used in the inequation. Here in this inequation, variable used is x, such that, this is the symbol for such that, then write the range -2, x greater equal to -2 and less than 4, and then write the replacement set also. X belongs to set of real number. So this way of writing solution set is called set builder form. Now this solution set cannot be written in roster form. Why? Because here the replacement set is set of real number. And we know that between two real numbers there are infinite number of real numbers. So we cannot make the list of all the real numbers between -2 and 4. So in this case it is not possible to write this solution set in roster form, because we are not able to make the list of all the real numbers between -2 and 4. So I think you have got, if set of real number is given to you, then you have only one option, set builder form, and if replacement set is given set of integer, natural number or whole number, then you have two options. So 2 points I want to say. First, always write the solution in set form. See, it is advised by the examiner that you should write the solution in set form. Now, so some students leave answer up to here. So after that, write solution set also. Always write the solution in set form. Second point, if you have option to write solution set in both form, set builder form and roster form, then always prefer roster form, because in roster form it is very convenient to see the solution. Directly we can see which numbers are satisfying this given inequation. So this form is preferred. But if replacement set is given real number or rational number or irrational number, generally real number will be given to you. So in that case you have no option. You cannot write the solution set in roster form. So write only in set builder form. So in this lecture I have discussed representation of solution set. In the next part I will discuss how can we represent solution set graphically. So